guys, it's me, Natalie, and I'm playing Where's My Beard. I'm gonna click skip ad. Playing. That's loud. I'm sorry about the loudness, guys. I probably should have my earphones in. Give me a second. I hope you guys can still hear it. Drag beard, do you hear? Oh, that. Let's play that. Make all. Playing the weirdest game in the world. I think I did that wrong. My computer is totally lagging. What level are we on? I'm gonna go to menu and find out. We're on level 6. So, we're going to finish 5, no, we can do 10. Fly. So we're going to get this guy from here, or no, here. Stays here. No. I don't want to play this game anymore. It's so hard. Well, that's where that was where my beard went. Where's my beard? Bye guys, subscribe.